Hi guys, today we're going to learn about budgies, which are right here. Wait, I don't have Adventure Pack merch. Dad, ooh, nice. So the blue, white, and black budgie that's biting me right now is Fly. She's the oldest budgie we've ever had, probably about 8 years old. We've had her for a very long time. And this one up here is Cookie. He is a new budgie. We got him like 3 days ago. And recently we've been seeing them feeding each other and kissing each other, like budgie kissing. So I think we need to spy on them. So that's what we're gonna do a little bit in this video. And we're also gonna tell you more about them. Me and Fly invented this game that I like playing with her when I'm bored. It's called Bite the Finger. Fly tries to bite my finger. Boop, boop, boop. It's so much fun. And Cookie is new, so he's kind of scared. He might be running around, climbing around the cage in this video a lot. But that's okay, they're close friends already. And their patterns are so cool. Like, look at those patterns. I built this blue house for them for Christmas, and they haven't gone in it yet, but they absolutely destroyed the popsicle stick ladder. It's natural though. I'm fine with it. Because budgies need to chew on something like wood every once in a while. In budgie body language, when they do this, they're curious. And Cookie has done that a couple times. And we do have to move the food a couple times so that they aren't fighting over food. Finally. Oh. It's been so long since she's done that. Like, I think I'm starting to gain trust. I'm starting to gain Fly's trust. I'm saving them from the baby destroyer. Cookie's like, oh, where are you, Fly? That's how Cookie is reacting. Hey, Fly. Wait, maybe we need to get something that she likes. Ooh, I'll get a banana real quick. And also, I'm a climber. I like climbing my fence. Oh no, here comes the baby destroyer. Fia, nie można. Bo też bude hamać Sofia. Dude, she put her one foot on me, on my finger. That's what I call starting hand training. Dude, he's on my hand. It's been a long time since she hopped on my head. Let's give her back to Cookie. Aw, they're so happy together. I think here comes a budgie kiss. Maybe. They're so close. So kids, I made a PowerPoint about budgies, not for this video, it's because I knew a bit about them. By BOGDAN, budgies. Okay, let's look at my PowerPoint real quick here, kids. From beginning. Oh, that looks sick. Budgies. Budgies, also known as parakeets, are great pets. Right there, those two are great pets. Budgies can be cute and funny, 100%. Budgies have many mutations. They all look amazing. Do budgies look cool? If you put your time into them, they may be your best friend. Budgies fall in love too, just so you know. Budgies are unique and different in many ways. Budgies come from Australia. Isn't that cool? Cool facts about budgies. Budgies can squawk for 7 to 30 minutes every day. These are the stages of baby budgies. There's tiny budgie, there's bigger budgie, there's pretty big budgie, there's adult budgie. Budgies can be curious sometimes. Let me tell you the story of when I had to do a budgie rescue mission. One day I was doing online school and I brought a budgie to my room. Then she accidentally flied behind furniture. So I put my hand under and grabbed her. And I got her out and she's still alive. Fly's the one that did it. So yeah. My budgies are in love too. Budgies mostly eat vegetables. They eat like lettuce, apples, bananas, but mostly vegetables and stuff like that. These are the body parts of a budgie. I'll just let you guys look at that for a moment. Budgies always love a friend, and these budgies are having fun together, it looks like. Budgies love to explore. This is my favorite transition. Do you like budgies? Say in the comments. Guys, look, it's fun to do this. Birdie hops on. Jurassic budgie. Jurassic budgie, guys. Because she has sharp claws. Oh, fías de las piernas. Oh, look who's finally came around. Hello. Hello, budgie. Why are you on my shoulder? Whoop, whoop. Let's do a spin. Oh. I could watch the budgies all day. Closing. I call them Jurassic budgies because look at their claws. They're kind of like the claws of a raptor or something. I made this house and yesterday was the first sighting of them inside. Let's see if I can get fly inside of it. Inside of the house. Oh, she's scared. What about Cookie? Cookie? Oh, you guys are doomed. Oh, they're doomed. The giant monster is here. Oh no, they're cornered. Oh, oh my god. Oh my god. I've never seen that. Yeah. Who's cornered? Somebody's cornered. Oh, I got him. Look at Cookie. Look at Cookie. He's nice, but he just bites whenever you hold him. Like, oh, where's Cookie? Oh, here's Cookie. Wait, let's see if he'll sit on me for a second. Oh. Uh-oh. Cookie, I'll help you. I'll help you. No, I'm just trying to help. Yeah, good boy. Yay! Bye, kids. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Thank you.